Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are making something simple, delicious, and very healthy, homemade peanut butter. Did you know you can make creamy peanut butter at home using just one main ingredient, peanuts? Yes, no preservatives, no chemicals, just pure goodness. So if you're ready, let's get started. For today's recipe, we need 2 cups roasted peanuts, a pinch of salt. You can use salted or unsalted peanuts depending on your taste. If your peanuts are not roasted yet, you can roast them in a pan. Place the peanuts in a dry pan and roast them for about 5 minutes while stirring. Roasting makes the peanuts more flavorful and helps release their natural oils. Now it's time to turn these peanuts into delicious peanut butter. Blend the peanuts for about 1 minute. At first, it will look like crumbs. Don't worry, keep blending. After a few minutes, the peanuts release oil and become smooth and creamy. Now we add a pinch of salt and a little honey for sweetness. If the mixture is too thick, add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and blend again. Look at that, smooth, creamy, and completely homemade. This peanut butter is perfect for bread, pancakes, smoothies, or even cooking. Now the best part, the taste test. Rich, creamy, and so delicious. And that's how easy it is to make homemade peanut butter right in your kitchen. If you enjoyed this recipe, like the video, comment below, and subscribe for more delicious homemade recipes. See you in the next video. Bye!